The volcano started erupting like 1.5 hours ago, so I put everything into charge mode, and as you know, I'm gonna go try and get to the volcano on the first day. I'm probably not going to the volcano, but maybe I get some pictures or videos. We'll see. Yeah, it's way more than it has been in the past 3 eruptions. They're talking about the length of the volcanic fissure is about 3.4 kilometers or something around that. They're not quite sure. They say it's larger than 2.5 kilometers and less than 6, so it's not very accurate, but it's still very long. It's spewing lava at a rate of around 200 cubic meters per second. So that's way bigger than the first one, the last eruption. So we'll see. I can see a bit of the flames from the volcano. So if I can definitely get some drone shots. There's a certain area where I can't fly the drone in because of regulations with the police and everything. But we will respect that, of course. Yeah, this is very interesting to see it. We can see it definitely very clearly here. Oh. So as you can see, the road there, that's the main highway, and this is the volcano behind it. Absolutely insane. As you can see, we can't see anything at this point. Reason being cloud coverage. I just did a quick pit stop to get some windshield fluids because my windshield is pretty damn dirty. Get in. Now we're in Keflavik, where the main airport in Iceland is, and we can see the volcano from here. The mist is clearly going, but it is very large. You can see, if you watch my finger, it starts roughly here, and I can see it's also here. So maybe it's just a long line of volcanic fissure. So who knows? This is just insane. It doesn't translate properly well onto the camera, but it's insanely long. I'm gonna try to find another spot to put up the drone one last time before I go home, edit the video so it's ready for tomorrow posting.